Hey everyone, welcome back. If Osko transfers are not working in the CommBank app, first check whether Osko service are temporarily unavailable. Make sure that the recipient details or PayID are correct. Confirm that your account is eligible for the Osko payments and has sufficient funds. Then you're going to turn your phone off on and back on to refresh the app's connection. If the transfer still fails, try sending a small test amount or contact CommBank support for further help, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.